Mga panyer. So ngayon mga panyer, pagkatapos natin maglinis-linis dito sa paligid, gugupitan natin yung isa nating kasabayan mag-exam na Nepali. Good morning my friend.
Yeah, good morning. I'm from Nepali.
Gugupitan natin to mga panyer. Okay. You can sit
Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
for starting to haircut. What kind of haircut, my friend?
Something, my friend. 00. Like Filipino.
Like Filipino.
Like your 3x4, my friend. 00.
I'm next.
Yeah. Filipino is good.
Cutting?
Yeah.
Cut
Yeah.
hair?
Yeah.
Let me see.
You want to use this komot, my friend? Ano ba to?
That.
Baliktad man. Ha? Pak! Yan ang mga
Yeah, my friend.
army daw, my friend.
Parang yung dati. Nung unang meet natin.
Yeah, my friend. Just like Dante Rodriguez, my friend.
Nakita ko ba yun?
Wala ka bang old... You have a old picture? My friend?
Wow.
Wala nang bayan, my friend.
No mirror, my friend. No mirror.
Yes.
You have mirror?
Mirror?
Trust me, my friend.
Okay.
Okay, I provide your mirror.
I'll do my best, my friend. Trust me.
Yes, my friend. Filipino is good, eh?
Yun yung mga daot yung mong ulo.
What, my friend? What you said? I cannot understand you. Speak English, my friend. Speak English.
Benta na natin tong Nepal na to. Bebenta na natin tong Nepal na to.
My friend, I cannot understand, my friend. Just speak English, my friend. English only.
No, I said... you're handsome.
Handsome? Okay, my friend. Aray ko!
Ay. Ba't nakapatay naman yung camera?
Tuba?
Oh, kwadrado.